Lube is your friend. Right here you have the big red post puller, unboxing. So as it were, I'll be unwrapping it so you can see what's included and how this thing works. So let's get rolling. It comes with lithium grease. It's not just an extra bonus. You really understand the importance of the lithium grease. We need to put it on the moving joints of the jack. Otherwise it wears the jack prematurely. It comes as a two-part assembly. The base, which is the heart of the big red post puller, and of course the jack. In this case we're using a American built high quality high lift jack. So the whole unit comes out of Oklahoma. So again, all locally sourced and manufactured in the USA. This brace here is also important. It's loose, but it's loose on purpose. The idea is you need the post to be perpendicular to this jack mount. If it's off center like this, then you need to manage by putting some wood or something to level it off. But you always want that post perpendicular. Otherwise you're not going to get the force that you need to pull it up. In the kit comes the pin, and the pin slides in here. Put that across, and now that jack is nicely mounted. We've unwrapped it. It's now sitting in its working position. And just for clarity, I just want to go back over why the lithium grease is in the box. And that's to make sure that all the moving parts stay lubricated. So if you look closely, you'll see the top pin, the bottom pin. We have this connection here. And then right in here is also very important. Right where the mechanism is moving up and down, you'll see those areas there need to have that lube, the pin junction at the bottom. As long as those are lubricated, this jack will last for years, and you'll have great success pulling that post out. So guys, this is a great investment. You know, basically for $1,200–1,300, you've got a machine that'll last you for years. It's really great because it's got wheels that'll help you take that slug out to the curb. An investment that is worth every penny. You can find it at fencearmor.com. Again, made in Oklahoma. Great tool for you fencers, and even if you have an HOA or a community association where you need to be pulling out posts or shrubs or things that require a lot of torque to pull up, this is a great option for that. Find it at fencearmor.com.